Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel BB Tech Hub. So today we all together will learn something about network. So the topic is network. Anyone you are having any idea about the network? And the question is that in which situation this concept network came in picture. So if we see in a computer, the main component is the processor who actually process the data. Now, for processing the data, computer needs some data. So that data is stored in the RAM, which is called as the memory. But coincidentally, RAM is a volatile memory. So do you know what is volatile? Volatile means the memory which has the capability to retain the data till the power. Once the power gone, the content of that memory is also gone. So now that is the reason another type of memory has to develop, and that is nothing but our hard disk. This hard disk in computer terminology, we are calling it as a storage. Why we are calling it as a storage? Because the thing is that it has the capability to store the data for a long time. Now it's good hard disk is storing the data, but you think a situation when there is a need of transferring the data from one device to the another device. Is it possible for us to every day carry the data from one device to another device manually? In the meantime, there are several removable media came in the picture. What are the removable medias? If I go for the removable medias, we can see there are several of removable medias are in the market, like FDD, floppy disk. You can see the tape drive. You can see also CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive, external hard disks, so and so. So removable media means we can take the data from the computer to this type of devices, and then we connect this device to the another device and take the data from this. But tell me, is it feasible if I want to transfer the data from one place to another place? Suppose you think a company having an office in Kolkata. You think this is the head office. And there's a branch office in Hyderabad. And there is maybe a branch office in Delhi. So now you people tell me, carrying the data in this removable device from one space to another location, is it feasible? In a short span of time, I think so. It is not at all feasible. So what is the solution over here? The solution is nothing but just connect the devices with each other. Just connect. Suppose this one to send the data and this one to receive the data. If we connect the devices with each other, then data can be transferred from one device to another device without the intervention of human beings transportation of data physically using the removable media. So that's why in the picture, the concept of network came. Network means what? Network means connectivity between the devices so that data can be transported from one device to another device very easily in a very short span of time. So if I go for the definition, so we can say collection of devices connected with each other through some media. Through some media. What is the purpose? For data communication purpose. Is called as network. This invention of network made our life so easy, and nowadays whatever the IT industry is in front of us, so that is nothing but the gift of this technology, that is the network. Now, what is the benefit? Anyone, can you tell me? So if I go for the benefits of network, you can see there are several benefits of network. First, we have seen, that is the thing, transfer of data. We can see sharing of resources. So what are the short of the things we can share? So we can share files and folders. We can share devices. We can share software. And another technology in the market that is right now is the remote assistant. So thank you everyone for today. Up to this, for more videos, you just follow the channel. Thank you.